I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the clean energy charging feature that's enabled by default on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, and then tap Battery in this menu. Step 2. Swipe down this menu and then tap Charging in the list of options. The charging screen opens. Step 3. Tap to toggle off Clean Energy Charging. A window pops up letting you know that enabling this feature helps you reduce your carbon footprint and giving you the option to either turn the feature off until tomorrow or turn it off permanently. Step 4. Tap Turn Off to disable the Clean Energy Charging feature on your iPhone or iPad permanently. The feature will be disabled immediately and can be re-enabled at any time. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.